As the sun rises over the Balaji factory, the day's work begins.
Check the moisture on this batch.
Looks good, send it through.
Weight verified. Moving to processing stage.
We need clearance on the next batch for processing. How's Silo 7 looking? To ensure the perfect crisp, we start with a vigorous wash, removing every speck of dirt under bright, clean lights.
From the field to the fryer, we select only the freshest potatoes, meticulously washing away the rich earth.
Keep the water pressure steady on the washing lines. We have a big order today.
Our state-of-the-art optical sorters scan every single potato, ensuring only the highest quality product makes it to the next stage. Our state-of-the-art peeling drums ensure that every potato is perfectly smooth, guaranteeing the ultimate crisp. Perfectly uniform slices, created by razor-sharp blades spinning at incredible speeds, are the first step to the perfect chip. Observe the precision. These gleaming discs transform the potato into delicate, translucent wafers, captured here in stunning slow motion.
The freshly cut potato slices now travel through our rinse channels, where gentle flowing water removes excess starch.
Here we see the rinsing process, where the slices are gently tumbled to remove starches before frying.
Rinsed slices proceed from the water channels to the vibrating conveyors.
Ensure the moisture levels are below the threshold before packaging.
The oil circulation system maintains the perfect temperature, while mechanical conveyors move the chips steadily through the fryer.
Look at that perfect golden crisp, fresh from the fryer and ready for seasoning.
The cooling conveyors are operating at maximum efficiency. Ensure temperature checks are logged every 15 minutes.
Attention, all personnel. Ensure compliance with the seasoning drum protocols. Line 5 is now active.
A masterful blend of vibrant spices cascades onto the perfectly crispy potato chips, creating an irresistible flavor in every bite. We carefully select the finest spices to ensure every chip is perfectly seasoned. Experience the perfect harmony of flavor and crunch.
Our state-of-the-art seasoning drums ensure every chip is perfectly coated for maximum flavor. Watch as the rich, savory seasoning clings to every crispy ridge, ensuring maximum flavor in every bite. We carefully select the finest spices to create this perfect, delicate crunch.
Checks look good on the seasoning levels.
Excellent. Let's keep the line moving.
Our automated vision systems scan every chip for color and size inconsistencies. If a defect is found, it is instant.
Quality control update. 20 units rejected. Line efficiency at 98%.
Very crispy, perfect snap. Flavor is robust, but maybe slightly oversalted.
I'll make a note on the sodium levels.
Back into the flow. These chips have passed the strictest quality tests. Our state-of-the-art facility ensures every chip is perfectly crispy before moving to the automated weighing systems for precise packaging.
Line 3. Check the seasoning levels.
Quality control update. The automated leak detection system is fully calibrated. We expect 0 breaches on this run. The laser applies the expiration date with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring full traceability of every bag. As the chips move rapidly along the conveyor, the robotic arms precisely fold and fill the cartons, demonstrating the seamless integration of our packaging line.
Quality control check initiated. All systems operating at peak efficiency. Endless production lines and precision robotics bring our crispy chips from the fryer to the shelf. The tri-layer stretch wrap secures every pallet, keeping our crispy potato chips perfectly fresh from the factory to your store.
Okay, easy now. Slot it right in there.
Looks good from here. Clear.
We need those potato chip pallets routed to Bay 4 immediately. Over.
Pallet 22 scanned. Inventory updated. Moving to the next row. Make sure the pallets for aisle 4 are double-checked before loading.
Confirmed. These are ready to go.
Clear on the right, pull into Bay 4. Copy that, bringing this one in.
The barcode verification system ensures 100% accuracy for every outgoing shipment.
Inspection complete. Packaging integrity is flawless. Approved for shipment.
Copy that, the chips are loaded. Send the blue truck next.
Packed tight and shipped fresh, ensuring the perfect crunch every time.
Yeah, the chips are secured tight. Should be smooth sailing from here to the depot.
All right, Route 53, you are clear for departure. All other units hold short.
Okay, that's the last one. The system shows it cleared.
Great, let's move on to the next bay.
Final inspection complete. Seal is intact. The shipment is secure. From our facility to your table, freshness delivered daily.
This is Alpha Lima 2, approaching the main gate with raw product.
Copy that. Proceed to staging area B.
Experience the ultimate crunch. Freshly packaged, perfectly golden, and seasoned to perfection.
Send the next batch to Dock 3. Copy that, moving now. And so the journey concludes. Every day, this fleet ensures our crispy chips reach every corner of the country.